I dare you to share your YouTube search history. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video, I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go to the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And once you are here on my profile, you have to go to trending at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, and it's better to go to my highlights. So here you have to click until you find the desired sticker, and as you can see, I only have viral stickers, and you can check these too. So there we have it. I dare you to share your YouTube search history. Click on the Add Yours button. And if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button. So now you can go to your uploads and choose the screenshot with your YouTube search. And from here you can make your photo bigger or smaller, and you can do the same thing with your sticker. So once you're happy with your story, you have to click on the send to button, then click share to your story and then hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.